Okay, so we all like colorful flowers. Anything that is colorful we love to see, don't we? We go to the market. Yes, we look at all the colorful fruits. The red apples, the green apples, the oranges, all are different colors. So now I have different colors, flowers in my hand. So shall we count together, children? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many flowers I have in my hand? Yes, I have 10 flowers in my hand. And now I have 2 small vases. Can you see this? What color is this? Yes, it is blue and pink vase. So I am going to place 5 flowers in this vase. Can you count together with me? So it will be easy for you to learn the numbers as well as place the flowers. So how many flowers are we going to place in this vase? Yes, I am going to place 5 flowers. How many flowers? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 flowers. So are you ready? So we'll take 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 and 5. So we have placed 5 flowers in this vase. Can you see? Yes, there are 5 flowers in this vase. Doesn't it look beautiful? Yes. So tell mommy to give you some flowers and a vase and you learn to count and place it in the vase. Okay, so I've got another vase. Can you see the 2 small puppies? How many puppies can you see? 1, 2. So there are 2 small puppies on this vase. And I'm going to keep the remaining number of flowers. So how many flowers are remaining in my hand? Can we count it together? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have remaining 5 flowers in my hand. So I've already placed 5 flowers in this vase. So I'm going to place the remaining 5 in this vase. So shall we count after 5? What number will come after 5? I can't hear you. Yes, it is number 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have 10 beautiful flowers. Do you like to see it? Yes. So how many flowers do we have? I have 10 beautiful flowers in this vase. The next thing I am going to show you is the number of. So I have the color red. Yes. It is in what shape? Do you know what shape is this? Yes. We have some square and some rectangle. So shall we count? Yes. So in this first picture we have 1. It is number 1. In the next one we have 2. Count 1, 2. So there are 2 pictures. Next we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So what is the number here? 3. Exactly. Next we will move on to the next. It is like the clock that we have at home, don't we, children? Yes, it is round. So the next number is number 4. So shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 stickers. And after 4, what is the next number after 4? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it is number 5. We have, how many fingers we have on each hand? Yeah, we have 5 fingers. On one hand we have 5 fingers. So shall we count this together? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is number 5. The next number, we have already learned how to write the numbers and identify the numbers. So the next number is number 6. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 stickers and the number 6. So the next number is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the number 7 after the number 6. The next number is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next number is number 8. The next number that we are going to see is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the next number is number 9. And the last number is number 10. Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have seen numbers from 1 to 10. So this resembles the clock that we have in our house. It shows you how to read the time. Yes, so these are the numbers. So it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 pictures that I have on this card. I am going to show you small placards with the numbers with pictures. So I have these placards with the pictures. So can anyone tell me how many pictures do I have in this? Yes. How many? Yeah. Can we count it? It is 2. We have 2 gloves. 1, 2. So how many gloves is there? 2 gloves. Oh, the next is a handprint. Shall we count the number of handprints? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many handprints are there? There are 8 handprints. The next we are going to see. Oh, we all like this, don't we, children? Yeah. When you want to color, you trouble mommy to give color pencils. So shall we count the number of color pencils? Yes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many color pencils do we have now? We have 9 beautiful colored pencils. So the next number. Oh, where do you find this? Yes, we find it in the sky. And when do you find it during the day? No, we see it only at night. It looks so beautiful in the sky. And what are they called? Yes, exactly. They are called the stars. They are bright and beautiful, shining in the sky. But when do we not see it? Yes, when it is raining, we don't see the stars in the sky. So shall we count the number of stars, children? Yes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many stars are there? 10. Do we only see 10 stars in the sky? No. There are countless number of stars. So tonight you will try counting the stars in the sky. Understood, children? The next number. Yeah, ooh, where do you see this? Yeah, some of us like to eat it. And some of us like to see it in an aquarium. Yes, we have a fish tank in our house. Or we see it in the water. So this is a fish. Can we count the number of fish? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fish do you see? Yes, 6 fish. The next is, we have already seen beautiful flowers. Yes, when mommy takes us to the park or to the garden, we see beautiful butterflies sitting on the beautiful flowers. Yes? Okay, shall we count the number of flowers together? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have seen 7 flowers. How many flowers have we seen? Yes, it is 7 beautiful flowers. Okay, so the next, this is our favorite. Yes, whenever we are hungry, what do we ask for? Yes, a piece of cake. And what cake? Yes, we all like the chocolate cake. Don't we, children? Yes. So shall we count how many pieces of cake is there? It is 1, 2, 3. So that there are 3 slices or pieces of cake. The next is the beautiful birds. You always find the birds flying on the tree, sitting on the tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 colorful birds. And next is the oranges. We have the oranges. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 fruits of 4 oranges. And the next number is 1. We use this at home. Yes, mommy and daddy use this 1 key to lock your house, or daddy uses it for his car, or mommy uses it for a bike. Yes, so it is 1 key.